Welcome to Inside Dyness. In this episode, we take a closer look at PowerBrick Plus and how it extends home energy support from indoors to outdoors. Today, home energy use is no longer limited to the living room or kitchen. Garages, gardens, terraces, and outdoor devices all need reliable power support. This is Dyness PowerBrick Plus, a low-voltage battery designed for household energy storage. It supports both indoor and outdoor installation, bringing energy support to more home scenarios. When energy storage is installed in a garage, utility area, or closer to outdoor spaces, protection matters with an IP65 rating. PowerBrick Plus is built to better handle rain, dust, and changing weather. In real home energy use, it's rarely just one device running alone. Lighting, routers, kitchen appliances, and even garage tools. Outdoor lights or electric gates may work at the same time. Energy needs vary from home to home and from stage to stage. PowerBrick Plus uses high-capacity 314 LiFePO4 cells and supports up to 50 units in parallel, with a capacity range from 16 kWh to 803 kWh. Whether installed indoors or outdoors, safety and reliability always matter. PowerBrick Plus features an intelligent fire extinguisher system that detects and extinguishes fire in 5 seconds, with over than 8,000 cycles and for sure a 10 years warranty, for long-term stable performance. For different seasons and installation spaces, PowerBrick Plus offers more flexibility, optional self-heating, and supports operation from -20 degrees to 55 degrees. It also supports wall-mounted and floor installation, with wheels for easier movement and repositioning. Dyness PowerBrick Plus provides flexible, safe, and reliable energy support for home scenarios. Together with Dyness, drive the energy future.